Have you ever felt the frustration of trying to find a reliable dropshipping platform after Oberlo's demise? You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the best alternatives that have emerged to fill the void left by Oberlo. Oberlo was a game-changer in the dropshipping world, simplifying the process of finding and importing products directly from AliExpress. However, with its discontinuation, many online sellers were left scrambling for viable alternatives. Alternative 1. AliExpress plugin for Shopify. Direct integration. One of the most straightforward options is the official AliExpress plugin for Shopify. This plugin offers a seamless integration, allowing you to search for products directly from AliExpress and add them to your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Product sourcing and import. The plugin simplifies the product sourcing process, providing filters and search options to help you find the right products for your niche. Once you've selected a product, importing it into your Shopify store is a breeze. Pricing and inventory management. The AliExpress plugin also helps you manage pricing and inventory levels. You can set your own prices and automatically update them based on the supplier's inventory. Alternative 2. Spocket. Premium suppliers. Spocket is a popular dropshipping platform that connects you to premium suppliers worldwide. These suppliers often offer faster shipping times and better product quality compared to AliExpress. Product samples. One of the standout features of Spocket is the ability to order product samples before adding them to your store. This helps you ensure that the products meet your standards and are suitable for your target audience. Profit margins. Spocket also provides tools to help you calculate profit margins and identify high-margin products. This can be invaluable for maximizing your earnings. Alternative 3. Dropship.me. Extensive product library. Dropship.me boasts a vast product library with millions of products from various suppliers. This gives you a wide range of options to choose from, regardless of your niche. Product customization. In addition to sourcing products, Dropship.me allows you to customize certain products with your branding. This can help you create a unique selling proposition and stand out from the competition. Automation tools. The platform also offers automation tools to streamline your dropshipping operations, such as automatic order fulfillment and inventory updates. Alternative 4. Wholesale 2B. Diverse supplier network. Wholesale 2B connects you to a diverse network of suppliers, including manufacturers and distributors. This gives you access to a wide variety of products at competitive prices. Product categories. The platform is organized into various product categories, making it easy to find the products you're looking for. Integration with e-commerce platforms. Wholesale 2B integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay. Alternative 5. Modelist. Curated product selection. Modelist offers a curated selection of products from trusted suppliers. This can save you time and effort in finding quality products for your store. Branding options. Similar to Dropship.me, Modelist allows you to customize certain products with your branding. Profit calculator. The platform provides a profit calculator to help you determine your potential profit margins for each product. The discontinuation of Oberlo may have been a setback for many dropshippers, but there are plenty of excellent alternatives available. By carefully considering the features and benefits of each platform, you can find the best fit for your business needs. Whether you're looking for a vast product library, premium suppliers, or automation tools, there's a dropshipping solution out there that can help you succeed. Have you tried any of these Oberlo alternatives? Which one has been your favorite? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more dropshipping tips and tricks. Until next time.